All right, so today we're going to change the air filter in the LR3. All you need for this is an air filter. I like to use MANN filters and a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to take out the screws. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that need to be taken out. Good enough? Okay. Doing a good job on this. Yep, hold the hood After you get the screws loose, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lift up the hat. And this is the old filter. You're going to remove the filter. And you're going to want to remove whatever debris is in here also. Let's see the difference. Let's see if put them side by side if there's enough light for you to be able to tell. Now you're going to take your new filter and insert it so that the long side's down. Now you're going to put your lid on. Alright, so next you're going to screw these 7 screws back in. That's it. You just changed the air filter.